Hewa moke moke tahurira ki tera pa me kovanu ate utu takahia toara he kupute ki te mai ki amara mai te atake to mamai ki amanau atahiai kua motu te here te whakawhere te mati here ki a paura na tupu te hate tupu te mate aone I know sometimes we might feel lost, but have you searched the lost and found? And if time is what it costs, are we always spending now? You don't find the words to say. Does it hurt when you explain? Is there a shadow in your pain? Baby, it hurts us all the same. Did we lose that connection, touch and affection without intention?